Part 3, now here we get to the nice parts. Okay, so first problem, this thing divided by this thing. We know that division is you can just convert to multiplication and then just turn this whole thing, flip it around, right? So that's just what we're gonna do. 27x squared over 2 and then times, and then this gets reciprocaled. So it's gonna be 4 over 9x squared. And so these cancel to make 3 and these cancel to make 2. So it's just gonna be equal to 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 is our answer. B, this is just the same thing as multiplication sign. So yeah, we can just factor this. So this is going to be 4, and then 25 and 5 factors to 5, z to the 10 and z to the 10 factors to z to the 7, right? And so this gives us just 5 times z to the 7 times 4. That's just 20 z to the 7. 20 z to the 7th power, and we're done. Number C, so same thing, division. This is going to be a flipping around of this thing, right? So 3r to the 6 minus 18, r to the 5, r to the 5 minus 4, r to the 3, multiplied by this reciprocals, right? So it's going to be r squared minus 36, and then 12r to the 5th minus 24, r to the 4th. Now let's factor this. Actually, you can factor these things before you just convert it to multiplication. It really doesn't matter. You can just do whatever you like, right? So let's factor this now. This we see r cubed is the common factor, so we see r cubed times r squared minus 4. Oh, what's that? This is a, what is it? Yeah, difference of squares. So that's going to be r minus 2, r plus 2, like that. And then all over, we can take out 3r to the 5th power, so 3r to the 5th power, times, this gives us r, and this gives us 6, right? So that's what's going to happen, r minus 6. And then multiplied by, we see that this is a, yeah, that's also difference of squares, so that's going to be r plus 6, r minus 6. And this is going to be, if we take out 12r to the 4th, then that's going to be r minus 12. Sorry, r minus 2. Like that, right? And then we see what we can take out. R minus 6, R minus 6, R minus 2, R minus 2, they get taken out. R cubed, and then this becomes R, just R, right? And so what we have now is just going to be equal to R plus 2 times R plus 6 over 3R to the 5th times 12 times R. So that's going to be 3 times 12, that's 36. And then r to the 5th times r, that's going to be r to the 6th power. And there is our answer. Number D, 7a to the 7th power over 10a plus 20 times 4a cubed minus 16a over 3a to the 7th power minus 5a to the 6th power. Okay, so this time let's try factoring first, right? Oh, actually, we can just factor since this is just multiplication. So 7a to the 7th power over 10 times a plus 2, right? And times, we can take a 4a from here because 4a is common factor of both 4a cubed and 16a. So that's going to be 4a times a squared minus 4. Oh, wow, what do we have here? Another difference of squares. Yeah, so these are going to come up a lot. So a plus 2, a minus 2 is best if you learn to immediately recognize them on sight. And then the below one, that's going to be, we can just take away a to the 6, right? So it's going to be 3a minus 5, like that. And we can take away lots of things. We can take away a plus 2, and we can take away a to the 6th power, and then leave just 1a here. Yeah, that's going to be a, that's going to go away. They rhymed. And then 10 and 4, we can reduce that to 5 and 2. And that's all that we can do. And so this is going to be equal to, what is it? 5 times 3a minus 5. And then the numerator is going to be 7a, 2a minus 2. So that's going to be 7 times 2 is 14. And then a times a minus 2. And that is our answer. And I hope you understood everything.